Hi everyone, welcome to our video presentation about the mobile phone basic servicing. In today's digital age, mobile phones are an essential part of our lives. Learning how to service the device can save your money and extend the life of your phone. This session explores the essential of mobile phone basic servicing, covering hardware repairs, software diagnostic, and safety precautions for optimal device maintenance. In this topic, we will discuss about the troubleshoot phones, demonstrate safety procedures in handling mobile phones, explain the do's and don'ts of using mobile phones, and safety handling. Now let's start our discussion.
Troubleshooting mobile phones is a vital process to ensure that devices continue to operate efficiently. It involves identifying issues, applying appropriate fixes, and restoring the devices to its optimal performance. This process is essential for both users and technicians to maintain the functionality and longevity of mobile phones. By addressing problems through troubleshootings, user can save money, enhance efficiently, and gain the confidence to manage their devices independently. As mobile phones remain integral to daily life, the ability of troubleshoot effectively becomes increasingly important, underscoring the value of these skills in today's technology-driven world. In today's digital age, mobile phones are essential tools for communication, work, and entertainment. However, like all electronic devices, they can encounter problems and malfunction. Troubleshooting mobile phones involve diagnosing and resolving these issues, ensuring that device continues to function optimally.
Avoid long conversations. Dapat limitahan natin yung tagal ng tawag sa telepono para mabawasan ang pagka-expose sa radiation. Use headset or speakerphones. Pumili ng mga hands-free na option upang mabawasan ang direktang pagka-expose sa radiation. Keep mobile device away. Panatilihin ang distansya doon sa device na ginagamit mo para mabawasan ang pagka-expose sa radiation. Turn off circular data and Wi-Fi. Bawasan ang patuloy na pag-expose sa radiation sa pamamagitan ng pag-disable ng mga feature kapag hindi ginagamit. Avoid calls at low signal areas. Bawasan ang pagka-expose sa radiation sa pamamagitan ng pag-iwas sa tawag sa mga lugar na may mahinang signal. Use text message instead of calls. Pumili ng pagte-text para sa isang ligtas na alternatibo para sa komunikasyon upang mabawasan ang pagka-expose sa radiation. Use landline telephone. Dapat isipin ang paggamit ng landline phone upang mabawasan ang paggamit ng mobile phone lalo na para sa mahahabang tawag. Keep cellphone away from children. Mas vulnerable ang mga bata sa radiation kaya't siguraduhin ang mga mobile device ay ilayo sa kanila. Moderation is key. Sundin ang katinuan sa paggamit ng mobile phone upang mabawasan ang panganib ng pagka-expose sa electromagnetic radiation mula sa mga mobile device.
Safe charging. Using original chargers to prevent electrical hazards. Charging safety refers to the precautions and best practices you should follow to ensure that charging your electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, and tablets does not pose any risk to you or your surroundings. Desktop alternative for favorite application. Switch to desktop version for extended use. The majority of our most popular mobile apps now have desktop version available as well. Moreover, utilizing a Wi-Fi network might help reduce battery life significantly.
These are the do's in mobile phone basic servicing. First, keep conversation private. Avoid discussing sensitive information in public. Second, use vibration in silent mode. Switch to vibration in quiet environments to avoid disturbing others. Third, keep it clean. Regularly clean your phone to prevent dirt and germs build up. Fourth, pay attention to surroundings. Be aware of your environment while using your phone to avoid accidents. Fifth, handle with care. Avoid dropping or mishandling your phone to prevent damage. Sixth, use screen protectors and cases. Protect your phone from scratches and impacts with appropriate accessories.
Don'ts. First is don't let your phone control you. Maintain control your screen on time to avoid eye strain. Number 2. Don't use your phone while driving. Avoid dangerous distraction like calling and texting when driving. Third is don't use speakerphone in public. If you want to use your phone in sound, you should use your earphone or earbuds to avoid distractions. Fourth, don't expose to water. Protect your phone from water damage like dropping your phone to water or water splashes. Fifth, don't disassemble your phone. If you're not a professional, don't disassemble your phone to avoid phone damages. 6. Don't ignore signs of trouble. Don't ignore signs. If there's something wrong to your phone, you must go to the technician immediately to troubleshoot your phone. Safely handling of mobile phones. Safely handling of mobile phones refers to the practices and precautions taken to ensure the safe and responsible use, storage, and maintenance of mobile devices. Safety handling of mobile phones involves following practices to ensure the safe usage and maintenance of your device. This includes protective cases, screen protector, battery care, software updates, avoiding water damage, safe charging, and lastly, handling with care. All of this is to ensure safety and longevity of your phone.